school acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our very first Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly for Term 4. Well, what a wonderful start it's been to the term. Absolutely wonderful to hear about all the exciting adventures that our students took part in over the holidays, and also great to welcome the staff back. I know everybody's really excited to be back at school after a restful holiday break. Well, my first message this week is just to remind all students about the importance of wearing a school hat, not only while you're travelling to school, but also when you're travelling home from school, during the day, during recess and lunch breaks, and any other time that we're outside taking part in activities. If we move on, my next message is a reminder about our SWPBS goal for next week, and it's linked to our school value of respect, and that is when we're asked to, we work independently. My next message is for families and students, of course. If there are any students out there, any families that are leaving the school at the end of the year, or if families have children to enrol into the school, especially into our foundation year, our year prep, could we ask you to contact the school as soon as possible, please? It's really important from a planning perspective that we know our accurate enrolment number, and that ensures we have the right amount of teachers, the right amount of buildings, and the right amount of resources to support student learning. Next week's going to be a really exciting week. We start our swimming programs. Wonderful to be able to once again get back into our normal swimming program routines, and I'm looking forward to visiting our first group, that is Year 4, over at Big Fish, Little Fish, during their water safety lessons. And my final message for today is, as I say every week, just a reminder to read every single day, every single night. You may like to read to somebody, or even find a nice, comfy, relaxed little place. Enjoy a book or a magazine. It could be even the junk mail that arrives in the letterbox. But take that opportunity to read every single day. All right, thanks everyone. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Welcome to Teacher Talk.
Today in Teacher Talk, we have Miss Batson joining us. Miss Batson, my question to you is, what's your favourite hot beverage?
I love hot chocolate. I also like coffee.
Good answer.
So, Miss Batson, my question to you is, what's your favourite year level to teach?
Frankly, I like all the year levels. But maybe my favorite would be the preps and the year 6s.
Good answer.
So my question to you, Ms. Benson, what is your favourite soft drink?
It would have to be Fanta.
Good answer. What are your favourite hobbies?
I actually have quite a few. I like gardening, cooking, knitting, crocheting. I love reading, but art is my favorite.
Nice.
Thank you for tuning in to Teacher Talk.
Hello there everyone, and a very big welcome back to the start of term 4. Let's get started straight away with a joke to kick us off for the term. What does a triceratops sit on? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Alright, are you ready? What does a triceratops sit on? It's tricerabottom. I hope you liked that one and it gave you a bit of a giggle. Have a wonderful week everyone. Bye.